What's up, guys? You guys do it today, guys. Make sure and smash that like button so you can, and subscribe today. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, today we're in today's video. Hope you're feeling good, up, staying positive. Who's kiss my face? We're never, ever taking it off. Hope you do beautiful, sunny weather. We hope you're just having an amazing Monday afternoon / evening. Real quick video for you guys. A lot of you guys asked me a couple of days ago to do an updated room tour, so that is what today's video is all gonna be about. I rearranged everything in my room. And I was like, why don't I do an updated room tour? Because you guys liked it. So without further ado, let's get down to business. And let's show you the updated room tour. Here we go. So first off, we're going to start with the whole room. So that's just part of it. So now since I showed you the whole room, now I'm going to go bit by bit. So here is my wrestling stuff. We got the belts, the action figures. This actually took me an hour to do. Put every single wrestling figure back on the shelf because I had to take all of these two shelves, put it into a box, move this, because I think this was over here, and then I had to move it over a couple. And my room was just completely torn up. I did this all yesterday, so I got my belts up there like they were before. I changed some of the wrestlers up, gave them new champions and all that. The belts down there are all the same. The action figures are all the same down there. So that didn't move too much. The sign right there didn't change. These two posters were over there. They are now over here. And my bed is now over here. It was over there. So my bed is now on the other side of the room. Along with that picture right there. Because that picture was over there. And now it's over here. And that picture was over there. And now it's over here. So that's my bed. That's my action figures and all that good stuff. Then the John Cena poster, which stayed. And then the warning teenager lives here, that stayed. Obviously the window stayed because you can't move a window. Then we got the desk. The desk was originally over here, but now it got moved all the way over here. It got stuck in the corner. I kind of use my desk a lot. But I don't use it. I don't use it a lot. The only time I use it is like if I'm doing like homework or whatever. But that's the only reason why my desk is in the corner. And plus, my desk was over here and it was kind of blocking the hallway a bit. So that's why we moved it over here. Now, you guys are probably wondering, my TV was there. And now it's over here. So everything is kind of like flip-flopped in a sense. So that's my desk. And my dresser, which was all the way across the other room, is now all the way over here. So this is my dresser. And of course, all my stuff that was on there before. That poster was over here. Now it is all the way over here. My TV's over here. My picture with my lady. If you guys don't know my lady, she was my first dog before I got Harley. Which I really, really miss her. Rest in peace, my lady. Your soul will always be with me. And then I forgot to show you guys. Over here, my nightstand is back over here. Before, my nightstand was all the way over here in the hallway. So, my nightstand is back over there where I can actually charge my phone. And, yeah, because before, my phone, I had to charge it on my desk, which was over here, because my outlet's over here and all that good stuff. So, my dresser's here. My TV changed. My dresser changed. The smoke detector's here. This did not change. This wall did not change. This wall did not change at all. I still have all my achievements and all that good stuff. My belts are over there. The clock did not change. I still have my guitar, which is broken, and I need to get strings for. My hamper did move. It was there. I had to move it over here, because there's no way that you're going to fit a big hamper like that in that tiny corner, next to my action figures and all that good stuff. So that changed. That just moved a little bit. Pretty much everything on this wall changed besides the hamper. I'll give you guys another. I'll just walk through. So just give you like a slow peek of everything. Just to give you like a walkthrough in a sense. The bed, nightstand, my bat's over there. And no, I don't do baseball, but I apologize if the lighting keeps going to dark to light. It's because I only have this window for light, since I don't have much light in my room. So bear with me with the lighting. The lighting isn't as good. But my desk, and then those right there, I forget what they're called. Those did not change. Forgot those. So my dresser, all that good stuff. Whoa, camera got blurry. Oh God. Come on. Come on. Man, I hate when it gets blurry. Oh my God. I don't like the blurriness. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. So my dresser, everything over there, my TV, the hallway, into my bathroom, all that good stuff, the wall, the door that leads to the loft where I usually record my videos, which my loft is connected to my room. My parents' room is right there. The loft is up there. Yes, I am in a hallway. My bedroom is in a hallway. Don't complain. I'm not complaining at all. I'm gonna go what I get. So, yeah, my bedroom's in a hallway, but don't complain. So that is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for everything. Make sure we're still recording. Yeah, we're still recording. I thought I hit the pause button or whatever. But thank you guys so much for everything. Hope you guys enjoyed my updated room tour. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys want to see more of anything, either workout videos, challenge videos, you name it, I'll get it up for you guys so you guys can watch it. Just thank you guys for coming to my room again. This is the second time you're in my room. So thank you guys for entering my room. And there's just a lot more stuff coming on the channel. I got gaming content coming. I got a drone video coming. I got an RC video coming. I got weightlifting coming, I think. I got some special guests coming soon. I just got a lot more stuff that you don't want to miss coming on the channel, that you don't want to miss. So stay tuned for all that good stuff coming on the channel. And always turn on those notifications so you never miss a new video when I pop up on your screen. And there's just stuff that you don't want to miss. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what you waiting for? Go down there below the video and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, see you guys in tomorrow's video. Don't forget, you are beautiful, you're absolutely one of a kind. Always keep that big smile on your face. Never take it off. Always turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. See you guys next time. Stay positive. You're awesome. Bye, guys. Peace. Yeet. See you, before I forget, if you're in the channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button on the screen on my face. You can click on my face, subscribe, and have subscribed. Click the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. And then as always, if you missed yesterday's video, that being the screen as well, so go check that out as well. My face is usually up in this corner or this corner. And then yes, if you missed yesterday's video, it's either over here or over there or over there, over there. So go check that out if you missed yesterday's video. And then down below the video is a bell. Tap that little button so you never miss an upload. And hopefully you got my post notifications. And then as always, down below the video is the comment section. Go down there, leave a nice comment, because I always love reading your guys' comments. And then as always, down below is a description that has all my social media, like my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter, my Love.me account. All that's down there. So if you haven't followed me on all of them, go do that. I even have an Xbox Live account. If you have an Xbox One and you want to add me on Xbox, go down there. Get all that information down there. I always put it down there in case you guys want to follow me or add me on stuff. I'm a really cool guy. So if you add me on Snapchat or Instagram, and you see weird pictures, especially on my Instagram, if you look at my Instagram photo, just don't worry about that. But I just have a lot of good stuff on there. I have great stuff on my social media, all of it. So now I'm just rambling. So I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you guys so much, Gavin, for all love and support. I can't speak. Appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for stopping by. Hit that thumbs up button if you can. See you guys in tomorrow's video. Just too sweet, baby. See you out. Peace out. See y'all. Love y'all. Peace.